I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the PlayStation Network with the account that owns the content and make sure your PS5 is online. Once done, update system software if a patch is available, because console sharing depends on matching firmware and account data. Next, open Settings Users and Accounts Other and select Console Sharing and Offline Play. Do this now so you can move straight into the activation step without wasting time on basic checks. You now perform the activation. With the owner account signed in, select Enable Console Sharing and Offline Play. This designates the PS5 as the owner's shared console. Then sign into other profiles on the same console and verify they can access purchased games and subscriptions. This proves the sharing state is effective. Once confirmed, restart the PS5 to ensure licenses refresh. If licenses don't appear immediately, the reboot forces the system to reauthorize locally, which often resolves temporary hiccups. You finish by checking limits. If you've hit the maximum number of consoles for sharing, deactivate console sharing on any other device tied to your account. Make sure to restore licenses in Settings Users and Accounts Other so the PS5 reclaims game entitlements. If problems persist, verify PlayStation Network status and test your router for blocked ports or double NAT. One key tip: temporarily sign out and back into the owner account after deactivating other consoles. That refresh often clears stuck sharing states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.